What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows 10 or 11. So for both the options, both the Windows, the fixes are the same. So you can follow the step by step. I'm going to show you. And by the Wi-Fi problem, I mean that if you're connected to a Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi is not working or you can't relate or really connect to the Wi-Fi. So there are several problems with Wi-Fi you might face. So in this video, we are going to just give you all the fixes for it. So just keep watching the video until the end and don't skip it so that you don't miss any step. So the first one is you have to check your if there is in airplane mode on your PC or laptop. So just click on your Wi-Fi icon right here, and here you will find the option of airplane mode, and just see if the airplane mode is on, and if it is turned off, then let it be and turn on your Wi-Fi again and try to connect it. And this goes the first one for your airplane mode check. And let's go to the second one, that is go to run your Windows troubleshooter. So how you can do that? Head over to your start option right here and go to settings. Once you have navigated to your settings, and go to your system settings, and you will find it right here. And in here, just scroll down, and here you will find the option of troubleshoot settings, or like if you can't find that, then go to advanced display settings. And as you can see, I'm in display. Go to network, and here go to system components. And if you can't find the troubleshoot problems, go to troubleshoot settings. And here you can find the troubleshoot problem options. So in the update and security, they have currently shifted it. So in troubleshoot, you have to go to the other troubleshooter, go to additional troubleshooters. And here scroll down and just troubleshoot your internet connection first. And once you're done, do it, just tap on the troubleshooter, and it will just detect the problems with your Wi-Fi and fix it. And once you do this, scroll down, and here you will find the option of network adapter. And if you tap on it, you will find that it finds and fixes the problems with wireless and other network adapters. So just click on run the troubleshooter, and it will troubleshoot your network adapter of your PC or laptop and automatically fix it within. So if this is done, and then try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and if it's working, then you are good to go. And if it's not, then let's go to the third fix you can follow, that is network reset. So navigate to your settings. So once you're there, so suppose I'm in my settings right now, and go to network and internet. So I'm going over there, and here scroll down, and you will find the option of network reset. Head over there, and this says that this will reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches, and your PC will be restarted. So it means the changes all that you have made with your network adapter or your Wi-Fi, that will all get reset, and your PC will get restart. And then maybe you can after that use your Wi-Fi, or your Wi-Fi may get connected. So if the problem still persists, you can just go to our fourth fix, that is update or uninstall the driver. Here we have to navigate to our device manager. Go to the search option right here and search for device manager. Here you can find your device manager in control panel too. So I'm navigating to my device manager. And once you're there, search for network adapters. So I found my one. just click the drop down and here find your network adapter that you're using. Suppose I'm using this Qualcomm Atheros AR9285. So I'm just heading over to this one and just right click on it. Go to here you can uninstall this device and update it too. So just click on update driver and this will lead you to this option or layout here. As you're not connected to any network right now or internet, so you can't go for search automatically for drivers, so you have to go for browse my computer for drivers. So head over to browse my computer for drivers and it will just land you to this page and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here they will just allow you to pick any driver from which you can just select one and click on next and your driver will get updated. And once you've done it, try to connect your internet. And if the problem is still not gone, then right click on your network adapter again on your device manager and just go to uninstall device and tap on uninstall. It will uninstall your network driver or network adapter and you might need to restart your PC again. So restarting your PC means your PC will automatically reinstall the network adapter and the necessary drivers too, so that you can connect to your Wi-Fi settings. So once this is done, if the problem still persists for you, you can follow the next method. That is, you have to check your network services. So for that, go to the search option and search for services. And in here, if you go to services, it will land you to this page. And in here, just search for DHCP client. So I'm just searching for DHCP client. So this is the one. And you can see that it is currently running. The status, it is running. So right click on it. If it's not running, just go to properties and start it. And make sure the startup type is automatic. And tap on apply and OK. And once you are done with it, go to WLAN auto configuration. So I'm just heading over to WLAN auto config and that is in and it is here. So if it is running, then you are good to go. If it's not, then right click on it, go to properties, start it from here and select the startup type to automatic. And once it is done, tap on apply and OK. And the third one you have to check is WWAN auto config. So if it's not running, just right click on it, go to properties, startup type, set the startup type to automatic and start it and apply and click on OK. So once you're okay with it, just head over. These are the necessary 3 things you need to make sure these are running. And there are some optional. These are not going to change anything, but they might work for you. That is network connection. So we have to go to network connection. Let's navigate to that. So this is the one, network connection. So make sure it is running too. Go to properties and change it to startup type to automatic and start it. And once it is done, you can also check for like network setup service. That is, if you just scroll down, you can find that network setup service and make sure it is running too from your properties. And once the network setup service is running, you can also check for Wi-Fi direct service. So scroll down and you can find the option of Wi-Fi direct service. Right click on it and go to properties, change the startup type to automatic and start it from here. Click on apply and click on OK. And so these are the optional 3 things you can use. These might not change anything, but might be they can work for you, right? So there's no signal to give it a try. So if all these are done, try to connect to your network again, and hopefully your network connection will be working by now. And if it does not, then you can follow our next method, that is check network, that is setup service. So we have to go to sorry, the next is select your IP and DNS. So you can change your IP and DNS, and so go to the search option, search for cPanel or control panel. You can also navigate it from system. So once you're from in your control panel, go to network and sharing center. So we are in network and internet, and from here go to network sharing center, and here you'll find your internet connection. Right click on it and you will go to these properties, and from here disable and enable it, and it will just allow you to give your change your go to properties of it, and here go to internet protocol version 4. Right click on it, double click on it, and here make sure you change it to obtain IP address automatically and obtain DNS service automatically. Click on OK, and it will just change your Wi-Fi DNS and IP automatically, and your internet connection may run now. So yeah, once it is done, try to connect to your internet connection again or Wi-Fi again, and hopefully this will run right now. And the last but not the least you can use is install official Wi-Fi driver. You can just search it from Chrome, and you can get your Wi-Fi driver from there by searching your Wi-Fi adapter type. So install from there and just download it, and you can follow the process of installing. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just fix your Wi-Fi related issues. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and please make sure to tap the bell icon so you don't miss any video of ours. And if you still face any problem with your network or internet or Wi-Fi issues, so please comment us in the comment section, and we'll try to fix that problem for you. So yeah, this is it. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video.